To file TDS return. First we will start with what is TDS. Now you can pause the video and read. Now who files TDS return are companies, government deductors, salary persons etc. Dues dates are filed every quarter. Now which form to fill? 24Q is for salary. 26Q is for other than salary. 27Q is for non-residents. 27EQ is for TCS return. Procedure for form filling: download Challan and utility and submit. Firstly we download Challan CSI file. Challan CSI file is a file of the tax paid. Log in on income tax site. With TAN number on pay tax. Select the date and download the Challan CSI file. Now next step is download the utility. Search on Google TDS utility. Open website Protein Tinpum. Download RPU, the current version, it changes every quarter. Extract the file and open it and select the form for which you are filling. Fill in the basic details. Select the quarter and fill the Challan details. Now deductee details. Fill the details of the deductee. After that create file. Upload Challan CSI file which was downloaded from income tax site. Now we will submit the file. Open income tax website and log in with TAN number. Go on a file and select income tax return. In last it will show deductions of tax at source. Select the form filled. Select the year and upload the zip file and submit it. Now you have successfully filed TDS return. Thank you for watching.